everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Liza if you're new around here, and today I am doing a Poundland haul. I've got loads of really good bits today, lots of different things. Usually I get the same kind of thing, but today I spotted quite a few really good things, so I cannot wait to show you. I spent £28. This is what I got. Right, so I've got a big bag here. This is literally full to the brim. The guy there, he was so sweet, bless him. I had Orlando with me and I was worried that he was gonna like twitch. There was like such a massive queue and the guy bagged it all up for me. He was so cute. So everything is bagged up really lovely. So I'm just gonna take everything out and just show you what I got. Oh, I'm excited. I'm actually excited for this one because it's really good. So first of all, I got this self-tanning mitt. So when I fake tan, I always use a mitt to tan, and this is by Just Right Beauty. Just Right is from Towie, or the only way is Essex, and she has brought out a beauty range with Poundland. So she's brought out a tanning mitt. This is just a pink one. It's a little bit like a spongy kind of type mitt rather than like the velvet touch ones, but I don't know, I've never used one like this, so I don't know if it's going to really absorb too much tan, but I just thought, yeah, it was cute. It might be quite nice actually to use this when I'm applying my gradual tanners, because I don't like to get those all over my hands either. So we'll give that a little try. The next thing I got from her beauty range was the wash off tan. This is the matte version. They also had a shimmer version and a gradual tanner, but I just thought I would go for this. This was in the medium. I have already like kind of opened it. Does look really like dark. Just put it on my hand a minute. So this is the tan. That's not actually not too bad. I mean, you do need to like rub it in quite quickly because the product kind of like stuck there. It's left a little mark on it. It might be a good product for one of those last minute outings, you know, when you haven't tanned your legs but you're wearing a dress and you want to look bronzed, but work quick with it, because I think it's do you know what though, it's actually dried into my skin. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It just feels like my skin. So that is really good. I thought I would go for the matte one just because I have got a shimmer one already by Vita Liberata, and that is my absolute favourite. But I just wanted to give that a go because it's only £1 obviously, and you know, it might be a good option if you are looking for something on a budget. I'll let you know how that one goes. I also got this. I just spotted this. I was really looking at all of the shelves to see if I could find something different, and I found this Mist Me Beauty Pump. It says get the perfect amount for your favourite beauty liquids and solutions with just one pump, and I thought I could put my like micellar waters in this. So this is what it looks like, and it says you look lovely today. So you literally just unpop that, pump like that to get the product out. How good is that? That is actually going to be really good for my micellar waters, so I thought that was cute. Just a little close-up of it. I got these little hair bands. I thought these were cute for when I have like a bath, and you know, when I want to do like a face mask or anything like that, I need to get my hair off of around my face, and I just thought these were really sweet. So that was a 3-pack, and there's 3 pink ones in there, sparkly one, a darker pink, and then a baby pink. I got one of these, a pumice stone for my feet. I've never bought one of these. My mum used to have one of these like many years ago, but honestly guys, I need to get my feet ready for summer and they are not cute. They're really dry, the driest they've ever been, so I need to give them a little bit of a pamper, and I thought this would help. Couldn't find any other foot products in there apart from a foot mask, and I just thought that's not really going to help me just yet. I need to tackle the issue first because they are not looking cute right now, so I got one of those. I got some face wipes. Oh, these are actually face tanning wipes, yes, from the Just Right Beauty range. They've only got medium in there, so they didn't have light or dark, so I just went for medium. They're vegan as well, not tested on animals, and yeah, these could be like a tanning fail for me, or they could be like absolutely genius. I'll give those a go, let you know how they go, because I have used tanning face wipes before and they were good. I can't remember what brand they were now, but I think they were quite expensive, so hopefully these will be really good. My tan always comes off of my face first, and I've got a pale face, tanned neck everywhere else, but these could be really good, or they could not be very good at all. I also picked up the just the normal cleansing wipes, again from the Just Right range, for normal skin, for face, eyes and lips. Give those a little go. I usually get like the simple ones, but you know. I got some Gillette Razors, pack of 3, nothing special, but I got them because they were pink, and they've got baby oil and aloe in them as well. I got myself this Prideaux bubble bath. Do you know why I got this actually? Because when I was pregnant, at the end of my pregnancy with Orlando, I just bought this, and it reminds me of that now, and I just thought, oh, it's so lovely. It smells really lovely, so relaxing. I love the smell of lavender, so yeah, I've got that. This is all random. I got myself some shower gel because I needed some. This is a Palmolive Strawberry Touch Body Butter Shower Cream. This smells amazing. I love buying it. Oh, onto a cleaning product. Some of you may not like this, but I've used the scent boosters before. I've used them before and they were really good, but you know, they're not a necessity in your laundry routine. Some people don't like them. Some people say they clog up the washing machine and stuff like that, and you know, they're just not that great, but I really like them. And these are a different version. These are by Bright in wash scent boosters in the scent Truly Fresh, and these did have like a new sticker by them, so they must be new in. They had a pink one as well, but I like kind of fresh smells, so it smells nice. I can smell it now. It just smells like that cotton fresh smell, so I'm excited to try that. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know in a cleaning video how it is. I grabbed a big pack of glass and mirror wipes. Sometimes you just want to be quick, and to use a wipe like this is just nice and easy on like the mirrors and stuff. My makeup mirror gets dirty quite easily and dusty, so I just thought this is quite handy to have upstairs, and I can just give everything a quick wipe down when I need to. So I got those. I got this strawberry laces. I actually think I got this in my last haul and I loved it. It's so nice. They did have the unicorn one in there as well, but I just love the smell of this one. It's much nicer, and Mark liked it too. I got this one, elbow grease. This seems to be a Hinge favourite, and it seems to work really well every time I see it on people's Instagram stories, so I thought I would get that just for my cleaning cupboard, because you know, I like something that's good and that works well, and this seemed to work well. It's an all-purpose degreaser. It's ideal for removing grease spots from fabrics and porous materials, for removing grease from kitchen surfaces, and cleaning oily surfaces such as engines and machinery. Ooh, exciting. I got the boys some socks because they really needed socks, and white socks always look nice, don't they? So I went for white socks, one for Renzo, one for Vinny. I also got Vinny a mouthwash. He's never used mouthwash before. This is for 6 to 8 years, and it's the Aquafresh Big Teeth mouthwash. I think he'll like this actually. He loves brushing his teeth, so I think that would be a nice little addition to his routine. I also picked up some bits for the kitchen, so I got some cooking liners. These are oven, grill and microwave liners. They keep pans and trays clean, cook without fat, and you can cut to size. So I got those for my trays. I got 2 of them. I also got 2 sets of fridge liners as well. I think Emily Norris has used these actually in her fridge, and they looked great. So I got some of those to protect the fridge from spillages and stuff. I could just take that out instead of having to wipe the whole area, so it's just me being lazy really. So I got those. Again, you can cut them to size as well. I got this little plant. How cute is this? I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but they had loads of different ones in there. They're getting all of their garden bits in now, and this was in the garden section, and for £1, I mean, that's really cute, isn't it? You can get like a few of them and put them all together in a line, or I thought I could put this in my downstairs toilet, or even in Mark's bathroom behind me, just for a little decorative piece. I got some more wipes. These are antibacterial household wipes, apple and apricot. I got this scent because I'm absolutely loving my M&S all-purpose cleaner, and it's apricot scent, and I just love it so much. So I got these. They're really a huge pack. There's 90 wipes in there, so yeah. Got those for the kitchen. I got these again because I get them all the time. They're the Dishmatic refills because I needed a couple more. Got a few more bits. So I got the boys a bedtime baby bath. This is by Johnson's. We've used this for years and years. I love the smell of it. They do too, and it creates nice bubbles for them. I also got myself a new screen protector for my phone, because literally when I just got my phone, I don't know how long ago it is now, probably a year, I scratched the front of it straight away. It was only the screen protector, but I just haven't replaced it just because I haven't ever seen a new one to buy, and I saw it in there and I thought, oh, I'll get that. So yeah, I got a screen protector for my iPhone. And then last but not least, I got a couple of bits for the boys. So I got Vinny some scissors because he is always doing arts and crafts in our house, and he's always wanting to cut things up. So he's either cutting cardboard, cutting paper to make things, and he always obviously wants to use our scissors, and they're too big, too dangerous. So I got him his own scissors, which he's going to be really happy with. These are crinkle scissors, so they've got like crinkly ones, and they do have a straight pair in the middle as well. So he's got 3 sets of different scissors there, and I think he's going to love those. And then last but not least, when we were in Bath last week, we went to Pizza Express and they brought out the colouring bits for the boys, and they brought out some crayons which were twistable, and I was like, oh my god, they're amazing. They were by Crayola, and then I spotted these in Poundland, twistable wax crayons, and they are amazing. I'm hoping they're going to be as good as the ones that the boys were using. They're just going to be so much easier because you know what crayons are like, they just snap in half, don't they, so easily, but these are like a pen and they just twist up with the crayon inside. So yeah, love those for the boys. I'm so happy I found them. So yeah, that is everything I bought from Poundland. I'm really happy with all of my purchases. Let me know if you've got any of the bits that I bought today, or if there's anything you've seen that you really want to go in and get. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.